Don't celebrate how old you are. Celebrate the life you've lived. Wishing that your special day is as special as you are. May you soar higher and reach for the stars above. May you live your life and dance like nobody's watching. If I could gift you anything, I would gift you the ability to see yourself through the eyes of others. Wishing you a birthday as full as my heart is for you. Age is not a destination, it's a journey. May you enjoy every mile. You are a ray of sun that illuminates this world. May you continue shining brightly in the upcoming year. Every year on your birthday, you get a chance to have a fresh start. Some things are good from the start, while others get better with time. You started great and soared even higher. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Count your age by friends, not years. As you travel through life, may you always have love, joy, and boundless success. The candles on your birthday cake will never be brighter than the light you shine on this world. Blow out the candles and celebrate you. Happy birthday.